Welcome fam. If your body feels heavy, if your hips feel stuck, or if your lower back feels like it's bracing for the day ahead, you're not broken. You're just carrying tension your body wasn't built to hold. This flow is how you release it and start breathing again. Let's hit the mat. Start kneeling, hips stacked over knees. Sink back slowly to your heels. Then drive forward, squeezing the glutes at the top. Keep your chest tall, no slouching. Let your glutes lead the movement, not your lower back. Beginners, use fingertips on thighs for balance. Advanced stretchers, hover slightly above your heels for an extra core challenge. Your hips are the gateway to your spine. When they unlock, everything downstream gets lighter. Hold the top squeeze just 5 more seconds. Feel that little fire building. That's your body reactivating after sleep. And what's coming next will build on this strength, mobilizing your hips through every plane of motion. Stay kneeling, start slow, wide circles with your hips halfway through or reverse the direction. Keep your rib cage stacked over your hips. Move slow enough to feel the sticky spots. Beginners, smaller circles are okay. Advanced stretches, widen the circles as much as you can without collapsing your core. Most people only move forward and back all day. Circular motion floods your joints with the fluid they need to stay healthy. Stretch it just a little wider for the last 5 seconds. Notice how one side feels tighter. We'll release that soon. And now that your hips are awake, let's lengthen them even more in a powerful lunge flow. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, pulse gently forward to open the hips, then back slightly to reset. Keep the front knee above the ankle. Keep your spine reaching tall, even as you sink deep. Beginners, hands resting on the front thigh. Advanced stretches, add a rotation over the front knee to open the thoracic spine. One tight hip can throw your entire posture off balance and draining your energy without you even realizing it. Sink 1 inch deeper, 5 more seconds. Feel that line of tension from your hip to your chest. Now, before you feel lopsided, let's reset the left. Step your left foot forward this time. Same gentle pulses, feeling every breath loosen the hip and spine. Keep your chest proud. Every exhale is a chance to sink deeper. Beginners, move small, stay steady. Advanced stretches challenge your stability by floating the arms overhead. Balanced hips equal better breathing, better posture, and more effortless strength. Hold that last deep pulse for 5 seconds longer. Notice if this side fights you more. That's exactly why we're here. Now let's seal in all this mobility and give your spine one final release. Slowly come to standing, fold forward from your hips. Let your arms, head, and spine hang heavy. Slight bend in the knees if needed. Focus on melting tension with every exhale. Beginners, rest hands on shins. Advanced stretches, grab opposite elbows and sway side to side. This fold decompresses your entire posterior chain, calming your nervous system and waking up deep flexibility. Sink just an inch deeper for 5 more seconds. Feel that delicious stretch through your spine and hamstrings. You just set the tone for your entire day. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.